Where's Marvin? Where's Marv? Jim Bob took off. I took a nap and he knocked that door open somehow and took off, so he probably won't be home till late again, if any, till morning. I think he went over to his girlfriend's house. He's got a girlfriend down the road now. He ain't come home until late Friday night, 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. He come over all like hungover, strung out, dirty legs, wet, tired. Went straight for that cat bowl, ate some food and drank a little bit, went right straight to bed. Put in a chair and went right to sleep. He was so tired. I bet you he had a long walk to come home. I don't know about that boy. I pray he comes home tonight now.